Are you in search of an affordable action camera that can capture your thrilling adventures without breaking the bank? Look no further. In this video, we'll dive into the world of the top 5 best budget action cameras, exploring the best options on the market. Whether you're an adrenaline-seeking adventurer or a casual vlogger, we'll help you find the perfect camera that strikes the perfect balance between quality and affordability. Get ready to capture those unforgettable moments with crystal clear footage and immersive angles, all while staying within your budget. Buckle up and let's embark on this action-packed journey. You can find all the product links in the description box below, and for a more in-depth analysis, please visit our website at YourPicked.com. If this is your first time here, please show some love by liking this video and hitting the subscribe button with the bell icon to get notified of our latest updates. Let's jump right in. Number 5. AKASO 550X. If you're chasing adventure, the AKASO 550X native 4K 30 FPS Wi-Fi action camera should be on your radar. This camera delivers stunning Ultra HD quality, making it perfect for capturing dynamic moments in life. With multiple resolutions, including 4K 30 frames per second, you get crystal clear video whether you're hiking, biking, or just having fun with friends. A standout feature is its intuitive touchscreen. Swiping and tapping to switch modes simplifies capturing your adventures. You'll appreciate how easy it is to get great shots without fumbling with complex buttons. Plus, the electronic image stabilization keeps your recording smooth. This is especially useful during activities like skiing or snorkeling, where bumps and shakes are common. Long battery life ensures extended recording time, thanks to 2 rechargeable 1,350 mAh batteries. You can film for up to 180 minutes, allowing for more exploration and less worry about losing power. The 17-piece accessory kit is also a significant plus. It fits most action cameras, including GoPro, enabling you to use various mounts and supports for different situations. Adjusting the view angle is another nifty feature. You can easily switch between 170 degrees, 140 degrees, 110 degrees, and 70 degrees angles. This flexibility helps you tailor your shots to match your environment perfectly. Distortion calibration further enhances your imagery, so you'll achieve professional-looking results. While the AKASO 550X is powerful, expect a learning curve for using all its functionalities. Getting familiar with all the settings may require some time, but it's worth the effort. Love capturing life's adventures? Discover the possibilities with the AKASO V50X and start documenting your next journey. Number 4. Insta361 RS. Capture incredible moments with the Insta361 RS Twin Edition. This action camera combines a 4K and a 5.7K 360 camera, making it an unbeatable choice for content creators. With its new 4K boost lens, you can shoot stunning wide-angle videos. You'll enjoy vibrant colors and crisp details, even in fast-paced scenes. Switching to the 360 lens opens up endless creative options. You can easily create immersive videos that draw viewers in. Flow state stabilization stands out among action cameras. Whether you're hiking or biking, your footage stays smooth and professional. You won't need to spend time fixing shaky clips in post-production, saving you valuable editing hours. Simply point and shoot and let the camera do the work. You'll also love the 48 megapixel photos it delivers. These high-resolution images capture every detail perfectly, allowing you to relive your adventures. Ultra-detailed 6K widescreen videos add another layer of quality. Active HDR enhances your action shots, giving them a vibrant look. An innovative invisible selfie stick takes creativity to new heights. This feature makes the stick vanish during filming, allowing you to capture stunning drone-like shots. It's a fantastic way to share unique perspectives without the distraction of gear. While the camera can be slightly bulky for pocket carry, its impressive features more than make up for this. It offers flexibility and functionality that competitors often lack. In conclusion, the Insta361 RS Twin Edition elevates your video creation experience. Dive into new filming adventures by exploring this incredible action camera. Number 3. AKASO Brave. Ready for epic adventures? The AKASO Brave 7 LE 4K action camera is a game changer for thrill seekers and vloggers alike. This robust camera is built for every environment, allowing you to explore without worrying about rain or splashes. With an IPX7 water-resistant design, it can handle your underwater escapades down to 131 feet thanks to the included waterproof housing. One standout feature is the innovative dual display system. Switching between the vibrant front and 2-inch back touchscreens enhances your framing options and makes capturing selfies a breeze. You'll appreciate how easy it is to frame your shots, especially when filming spontaneous moments. In terms of video quality, this action camera does not disappoint. It captures stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second and shoots impressive 20-megapixel photos. Every detail is preserved, making your adventures look incredible. Additionally, the electronic image stabilization, EIS 2.0, excels in smoothing shaky footage. You'll get gimbal-like stabilization, ensuring every fast-moving scene remains fluid and professional. The camera comes packed with professional functions, including digital zoom and various shooting modes. Creativity flows freely here. Included accessories: 2 rechargeable batteries, a remote, waterproof housing, and multifunctional mounting kits expand your possibilities while keeping costs down. What might feel limiting? Some users may miss advanced manual controls for more intricate settings. However, for casual users, the automatic settings still produce fantastic results without a steep learning curve. What shines most about the AKASO Brave 7 LE is its incredible versatility in different conditions. If you're ready to elevate your filming game, dive into the world of action cameras with the Brave 7 LE. Check the link in the description box below for a more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so stay tuned until the end so you get everything. Number 2. GoPro. Capture life's thrills like never before with the GoPro Hero 12 Black. This waterproof action camera delivers incredible performance, setting a high bar for outdoor enthusiasts. After extensive use, it became clear why it's a top choice among adventurers. High dynamic range video on the Hero 12 Black elevates image quality dramatically. HDR enhances both videos and photos, allowing you to film in tricky lighting. Ever capture a sunrise or sunset? With HDR, shadows and highlights come to life, revealing stunning details. Impressive is the 5.3K video capability. You'll find clarity that leaves 4K in the dust, 91% more resolution. You'll love how it provides crispy details, even when capturing dynamic movements. Plus, grabbing 27-megapixel photos takes your snapshots to an extraordinary level. Embedding the GoPro Quick app simplifies sharing your favorite moments. Another standout feature is the Emmy award-winning Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization. Say goodbye to shaky footage. Rugged adventures like biking and skiing become manageable. It even minimizes cropping while enhancing smoothness. Whether you're chasing pets or kids, you can record with confidence. Ruggedness and waterproof design make this camera almost indestructible. It thrives in mud, snow, and water down to 33 feet, 10 meters. A water-repelling lens cover helps reduce lens flare. You don't need to worry about the elements ruining your fun. While the Hero 12 Black excels in many areas, its battery life could improve for longer outdoor sessions. However, recharging is quick, allowing you to get back to capturing action. This camera truly shines when documenting adventures. Overall, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is an impressive blend of technology and durability. Check it out and elevate your action photography game. Number 1. DJI Osmo. Capture stunning adventures with the DJI Osmo Action 4. This action camera delivers top-notch performance, making it a fantastic choice for anyone eager to film their thrilling experiences. Impressive features set this model apart. Its large 1/1.3-inch sensor ensures exceptional image quality, even in low light. Whether you're out at dawn or dusk, your footage will remain crystal clear. pushing boundaries with 4K 120 frames per second and a 155-degree ultra-wide field of view immerses you in each moment, making your videos truly engaging. Love those golden sunrises or vibrant sunsets? With 10-bit and D-Log-M color performance, every hue pops off the screen. Worry about power? You won't have to here. This camera withstands temperatures down to -20 degrees Celsius and can record for a solid 150 minutes straight. It's reliable even in harsh conditions. Transitioning between shots is easy with the magnetic quick-release feature. Change perspectives effortlessly, adding a creative flair to your filming. Let's not forget the stabilization modes. Shaky footage will be a thing of the past, no matter if you're skateboarding or hiking steep trails. Recording remains smooth and clear, providing a professional touch. What could improve? While it's easy to use, you might need to look elsewhere for some advanced features that other models offer. However, this may not bother casual users. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 4 shines as an entry-level option that caters to both first-time users and seasoned adventurers. Don't miss out on capturing your next journey with incredible clarity and creativity. Explore more about this fantastic action camera now. Check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date on all the products mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.